So my workshop is going to be coming up. It's called Rejuvenate Your Practice, and it's all about learning how to use twists, pranayama and core to help to do just that. And what happens when we do twisting is we miss the twist. What I mean by that is that we use the mobile part of the spine, which is the neck, to twist, and we kind of miss this whole entire center line of the body. And what happens, we don't get the benefits of our twists, and we don't get to rejuvenate our practices as we could. So what I'm going to do is build some intelligence in the practice of this one I'm going to be delivering, of how and where you can, and pinpoint the areas of twisting and helping to release toxins, and also begin to align you to your center line. And in yoga it's called the Sushumna Nadi, which I'll explain more in the practice, which helps to basically balance the left side, which is the yin side, and the right side, which is the yang side. And that helps to build for not just the practice we do today, but informs how you do your other practices in yoga. So join me and learn more. And also with the breathing, that's going to build more inner intelligence. So when we go inside more, it's more of like a yin state. You get to learn more on more of an energetic level. And the core and the core exercises we're going to do is just really going to help bring that yang energy there for you to build and understand and build some inner strength also.
Cool. All right. So it's on Saturday, June the 15th, starts at 2, goes till 4:30. All the details are on the website, so just book yourself in online. We'll see you there.
See you there.